Hi, welcome to the Chem Sheet Summary Program tutorial video. Now, it's actually pretty self-explanatory, so let's go ahead and hop right in. Whenever you first open up the program, it's going to actually ask for something called admin rights, and it'll even offer to open up a page and show you how to do that. Now, it seems kind of intimidating because there's a lot of stuff in it, but don't worry about that. All you really need are these 4 bullet points right here, and even if you don't want to go over those, you can just follow along with a video as we're going to have to give the program admin rights ourselves. To do that, you're going to want to right click on the program, go down to Properties, and then click on Compatibility. It'll be up at the top, and it might look a little different, but the tab should still be there. Now once you've done that, click the box that says Run this program as an administrator, click Apply, and then click OK. From now on, whenever you open up the program, it'll actually ask every time saying, are you sure you want to give it admin rights? You're going to want to just click yes every time. Now if you don't have any sheets, the program's going to actually tell you to start adding some. Now you're going to want to go to Manage Sheets, and it's just a quick 2-step process. Step 1, it says to click to copy this email. Just clicking the button will attach it to your clipboard automatically. To show you, I'm just going to open up Notepad, bring it over, and just go ahead and paste right in here, and there's the email. So it's really simple. It might feel weird, but really if you click the button it will be there. Now you're going to want to go to the sheet you want to add, and up near the top right you'll see this button that says share. Now go here and actually paste the email in and just click send, and that is step 1 all done. Now back to step 2, it's going to say add the sheet name. To do that you're going to want to go up to the actual sheet once again and just click in this box and highlight it and click copy. That is the name, and then go in there and just want to paste it by clicking Control and V. You can't right click in the program, so you're just going to want Control V, paste it in there, and click Add Sheet. Alright, and that's how you add it to your program. Now let's go ahead and go over the rest of the page. First is Active Sheets. This is just a drop down menu that shows all of the active sheets in your program currently, and then the next one is Delete Sheets, which you can use to go ahead and get rid of any sheets that you don't want anymore. They're too old, but for now let's go ahead and add August back because we're going to need it for the sake of the video. And the Chem Sheet Summary Report URL, don't worry about that right now. We're going to go ahead and move on to that in just a bit. Let's go ahead and try using the sheets. So we're going to go ahead and click Refresh Customers back on the main page of the program now, and it's going to load for a second, but don't worry. You're going to want to choose the range. Let's go H through K, and then let's try and find a customer like Hennings. Let's search, and you'll notice it actually says that we still need to give it a URL for the report page. Now to do this is really easy. Simply just go to Google, and then from there to your Google Drive, and once you're in your Google Drive, go to your starred folder and you should find it in there. If it's not, feel free to check with your boss and they should know just where exactly it is. Now once on this page, just go up to the top and copy that link, then go into the program, and once again to Manage Sheets. And now you're going to take this link and post it in at the very bottom right there, once again with Control V, and set the URL. Once you've done that, you are all set and ready to move on to actually making pages. Alright, I've actually gone ahead and added a few more pages to the program for the sake of a better live example, and of course since we have new pages we're going to want to click Refresh Customers, and it's actually going to know that some of these pages are old and offer to store them locally on your computer so we don't have to look it up online, and that'll help us avoid the resource limit. Now if at some point it stops randomly and you start getting this loading symbol over your cursor whenever you're on the program, don't worry about it. That just means it's hit the resource limit and it's waiting it out. So just leave the program, go ahead, you can open up whatever else you want on the computer, just let this run for a little bit. It usually takes a little under a minute or two, and once it's done with that it'll go ahead and resume. There we go, the resource limit has been reset and it's going to continue doing what it was doing, and it'll actually finish refreshing customers now that we're done with that. Now let's go ahead and do one last live demonstration on Parsons, and this one's going to take a little bit longer to run because we do have more sheets that the program is currently combing through. But this is a live demonstration, so you will actually see its live time. And just like that, before I could even finish explaining, here is the page. Well, this has been the Chem Sheet Summary Program tutorial video. I really do hope that this helped you and can cover any questions you have, but in the event that it doesn't, feel free to reach out. And yeah, I hope this just helps make your workday easier and go by faster.